Just one more little thing. I couldn't get this in the ultrasonic with both of these diaphragms because they would have to go in at an angle, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to pull this off this side. I'm not sure what this is. I think I'm going to pull it off this side. Whoa. Oh, I wonder if I can just take that loose. That's a 10, 12. Maybe I can just pull that loose. There we go. Oh, that's set at a certain length. What length is that? From there to the end of that screw, 7 millimeters. .6. 7.6. Okay, we're going with 7.6 millimeters. So this guy's got to screw out. Apparently that's how you set the step for whatever this thing does. I hope it, oh, shit. Without taking the sight glass out. Maybe I better take the sight glass out anyway. If we can take the sight glass out. Why is all this crap so damn hard to get out? There's one. Come on. There it goes. See if it'll reach now. I don't believe it's going to go. No. Son of a bitch. Well, let's put this sight glass thing, screws back in here. I'll tell you what, let's just put this thing back on it. Well, this stupid thing's got to come off anyway to, if you wanted to take the main jet out. Let's see. Yeah, I'll have to get real aggressive with it. Like with this. Let that pop it loose. No. That might not be the right bit for that. There's always one more little thing, isn't there? I don't think this is the right size. Nope, it's not. I gotta get the big dog. I got another one. Okay. What's gonna fit that the best? That fits it pretty good. I wonder if that long one does. gotta be a way to hold this son of a bitch. Did it go? I don't know. Let me get something a little more persuasion. This might be a little much persuasion, but I don't like hitting that thing like that. Let's go. There. That's not fucking going. I don't want to tear this up either. Damn it. What can I put this thing in to hold it that I can whoop on it? Can I go there? Maybe. This thing out here is going to make me start throwing things. Boom. This is how that thing went. Let's put the screw and lock washer back there. Oh, it's got a guide pin. It's got a guide pin there that goes into that. Okay. Now this can go in the ultrasonic. Cool. Then I'll have to do that part right there. So this is going to take up most of the night. Okay. Looking pretty good. Even the sight glass looks good. We've got a little bit more to go. This end down here, which wasn't under the, you can see the fill line right there. I'm going to set it in there again in a different position. Let's see. Let's put that in there. Almost to the diaphragm. The butterfly's looking good. This whole thing looks good too. Okay. We got an hour, another hour with this thing here. And then an hour for this one. Okay. Let's see, cleaners 30. This one here, I don't know. That may take two seconds each. We'll see. This one's in for an hour. Then we'll be done for tonight. Darling, what are you doing, bud? You're whining. What are you doing, silly boy? You're not happy? Let's go out here and blow these things out. Not too bad.